Chief Minister Biren Singh laid the foundation stone for construction of multi-storied quarters for state government employees at Langol, Chingkhom today. The foundation stone laying ceremony was held in the presence of Education Minister Thongnaucham Basantakumar, Health Minister Dr. Sapam Ranjan, Transport Minister Kashim Vashum, MLA Karam Shyam, MLA Lucy Dikho, Sanasam Prem Chandra, Thongnaucham Shyam Kumar and Usam Devin. Speaking on the sideline of the function, Chief Minister Biren conveyed that Planning and Development Authority will be the implementing agency of the project, while Housing Urban Development Corporation Limited, HUDCO, will sponsor it. He went on to assert that the government has planned for building similar government employees' quarters at different locations, claiming that construction of a quarters which can accommodate 64 families at Chekon has almost completed now. He added that the BJP-led government in the state has been taking up developmental works relentlessly despite facing COVID pandemic and the ongoing crisis since the political party came to power in 2017.
And the point need in the clean lazy drainage punjan gumsi, will appeal passio, as a man. The Taurine and Masingang at the sound, pass the Hazalam, part of Matad, part is singly from there. I said the NIT is what she would pay the buildings. Part my eyes, the buildings is Hazalam. Why this animals in Hong Kong? I should hear one arm ever. I have done a high this other winning ever. Although Saka than apart my head is salary. And the question vision of the contract oriented in Tigara Pongal or with the planning out the Lambis upon the Sing Siendo in a Karaidano, Kongbana Karaidano, Yumna Karaidano, Labuna Karaidano, Pana Karaidano, so we put confusion on the Lina Dinamaya to the question. Mangs, 600 pounds I contacted the show. I request only then I should be regarded to any difficulties. Mapandaki Port Purapada, Alaga Mama Purapada, Labi the Pan Malebo, Harasu, Pan Malay, I think Malay Harasamadu. Time to time, I'm through a quicker power hotline, Hamaga Powner Raga, Hatai Twigumba, or Hatara Tarukumba, level to the numbering view.